In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in your Outlook message list using Outlook Office 365. Font size plays an important role in how we interact with information, and making sure it suits your visual comfort can make a huge difference in productivity, especially when you're spending hours sifting through emails. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you're not signed in already, you'll see a prompt to do so. Simply click on Sign In. You'll need to enter your login details, so make sure you have your email and password handy. Type them into the provided fields and then click Next to move forward. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard, where all the email magic happens. Next, let's dive straight into your inbox. Click on any email you prefer. This could be an old email, new, or even a draft. It doesn't really matter because our focus today is on adjusting the view settings. Now, here's where the real fun begins. On your keyboard, press and hold the QTRL key. With the QTRL key held down, use the scroll wheel on your mouse to either scroll up to increase the font size or scroll down to make it smaller. This is a quick and easy way to adjust font sizes on the fly and see immediate results. If you prefer a more detailed method, you can do this from the View tab, conveniently located in the upper portion of your screen. So go ahead and click on the View tab. Once you're there, you'll find a section called View Settings. Right beside it, you'll notice another option labeled Zoom. Clicking Zoom will bring up a new dialog box where further adjustments can be made. Inside this box, you'll see positive and negative icons that resemble plus and minus symbols. You can use these icons to fine-tune the font size to your liking. Clicking the positive symbol, which looks like a plus sign, will incrementally increase the font size, making text easier to read. Conversely, clicking on the negative symbol or the minus sign will reduce the font size. This method gives you a bit more control over how you want your email list to appear, especially if you want consistency across different devices or sessions. After you're satisfied with the new font size, you can close the dialog box and your adjustments will automatically be applied to your message list. It's that simple. Whether you go for the quick keyboard and mouse method or explore the more hands-on adjustment using the zoom setting, both options offer an easy way to tailor your email viewing experience. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust the font size in your Outlook message list using Outlook Office 365. Implement these steps whenever you need to improve readability or simply want a change, and you'll find navigating your emails becomes a lot more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.